in this box right here. Welcome to Undiluted Tech, by the way. Got a surprise for myself. I've had this thing sitting on my desk or my storage for a little while now. And I want to build up my lab again. So let's see what we got here. Okay, packaging is a little well packaged. This right here is a Protectli. Protectli, is that how you say it? Correct me if I'm wrong, but let's open it up. There you go. That's good security right there. Come on. All right, what am I doing there? Okay, I guess you have to bring this out here. Whew. I haven't done an unboxing like this before. Let's see. We've got a, I bet this is the charger. So let's start with that. The reason why I'm doing this is a couple of years ago, 3 years ago, I sold my entire lab. I sold it because I was broke and I needed the money. And now it's time to rebuild it. What you got? Backplate, quick start guide, your cords. Yeah, plenty of stuff here. The PSU here, I think this is 90 watts. 90 watts. Okay, so let's move that aside. And here is a guest of honor. Put that away. This right here, my friends, is a Protectli FW6E. Bare bones. You've got at least 6 ports. And this is a fanless device. You may be asking yourself, well, why do you want a fanless device? Well, because I want low power and no noise. That's how I like my stuff. But you can also use it as a router. You can flush your own router here. I mean, your own firmware in here for like maybe, what's that one? Open source. Suricata. For your IDS, you can also put, forgot the other one, but yeah, any open source firmware, you can put it in here. And this would be your one, and this will go to your LAN. But this thing, it's small, it's heavy. This is the front, I guess. And you've got the HDMI. You've got 4 USB 3. And also a COM port if you want to log in and check it out. So I guess this is a heatsink. So I didn't configure mine with any like I said, it's a bare bone, but I'll be adding these SATA disk SSD. So 1 terabyte, and I've got 2 16 gig sticks DDR4. Now what am I gonna do with it? Well, this will be my new hypervisor. Okay, I'm gonna run some virtual machines in here and we'll go from there. I might also make it a server. So if you guys wanna see, nah, I guess I'm not gonna make videos for that. I don't even know how to open these things, so but like I like always to do is open it up. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Get my handy dandy screwdriver. And it looks like we're doing small. So let's see. Is it too big? Okay. Got my little iFixit toolkit right there. There you go. Second one. Now I don't know what to expect, so bear with me here. I haven't even checked the manual or anything. Like I said, this thing has been, it's been a while just for storage. I don't know what I was waiting for, but okay. With the feet. Huh. You can drop in a regular SATA drive in there if you would like. Which I didn't think of, I should have. But this is the inside. Your two slots for your SATA drives and your RAM goes in here. So let's go ahead and put in some drives. And what I got here is I don't even know what brand this is, but that's what I got. It was cheap. 1 terabyte. And I'll put it down here. Where do you screw this in there? I might have got the wrong stuff and I can't even return this. Actually, let's see. Remember to always wear an anti-static thing. You know, if you don't want to fry your stuff. But kind of grounded myself somehow. But there we go. We got the drive in. And then now we get the RAM. I've got the Crucial 16 GB. And I bought this off of eBay, so I hope it works. Not that I don't trust eBay, but whoever sells it to you, gotta be honest, right? Alright. Let's start with the bottom one. There we go. Get the other module. Now, this would just be for the hypervisor. I might change it up and put on something else, but for now, I just want to have a hypervisor that I can run off my virtual machines. Okay, so now I just have to burn up a USB and flash this, but that's the finished product. That's how it looks like. So all I have to do now is just put the cover back on. And if later on, if I want to add a extra SSD, which I don't have one right now, the last one I used it on my main workstation. But if I find another one, I'll just add it here, and I can have more storage. But right now, 1 TB, it's gonna have to do it. So, put the plate back. I am surprised how simple this is. This is very good, because sometimes you buy stuff and you're like, oh, you know, how do I do it? How do I open this up? So put the screws back in. And that is it. The Protectli, I can't pronounce that. Protectli FW6E. And the OS in here is Core, the BIOS OS is Core OS. Core OS because it's compatible with most things, I think, in my opinion. But that's just me. Here we go. The Protectli. Man, I might have to get another one of these. I like it small, it's not too huge. But I can only imagine, the power in this thing. You may be asking how much this costs. Well, I spent a pretty penny on it. I think it was $6.99 or something. But it was well worth it. I can do a lot. Be my main server, my firewall. I can do anything with it. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys. If you got any questions, you know what to do. Leave a comment down below. Again, this is the unboxing for Protectli FW6E. Thank you for watching. Peace out.